In this video, let's see how to add items in Zoho Inventory. First, go to Zoho Inventory and sign in your account. Click on Inventory in the navigation bar. Select Items under the Inventory section. Click the plus icon next to Items to add a new item. Now, fill in item details. You'll be prompted to enter various details, such as item name, .sku, stock keeping unit, item type, goods or services, unit, such as PCs kg, box, selling price, .cost price, tax preferences, if applicable, inventory tracking, enable if you want to track stock levels, initial stock, reorder point. In the Preferred Vendor field, notice that no results are found. Click the Save button at the bottom of the form to save the new item. So that's how you can add items in Zoho Inventory.